Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Sadab Zargifari. Di sini saya akan melakukan praktikum ethical hacker di 5.1.4 yaitu scanning for SMB vulnerability with Enum for Linux. Di sini ada topologi, virtualan, virtual switch router, corporate network, internet, tersambung dengan DNZ. Jadi objektifnya itu Enum for Linux itu enumerating information from Windows and Samba. Samba is an application that enable Linux and Apple clients to participate in Windows network. It enable non-Windows client to utilize the server message block SMB protocol to access file and print service. Samba servers can participate in a Windows domain both as client and server. In this lab, you will complete the following objective: launch Enum for Linux and explore its capabilities. Identify computers with SMB service running. Use Enum for Linux to enumerate users and network file shares. Use SMB client to transfer files between systems. There's a background scenario. The required resource is Kali, and instruction is part 1: launch Enum for Linux and explore its capabilities. Load Kali Linux using the username Kali and the password Kali. Open terminal. We will use command sudo su to enter to going to root user. Enter Kali. So Enum for Linux strip help is the help contains the syntax on and an option available to enumerate host and server information on networks that use SMB. Enum for Linux requires that Samba be installed on the host system. In this case, the Kali Linux computer, because it is dependent on the build Samba utilities. We will wait until it's loaded. We'll open the terminal, and here we will use command sudo su first, and Enum. So there is options are like menu, get user list, mention list, share list, password, and etc. And additional option is min A, min H, min R, min K, min L. Some servers often seem to have rates in the range of the 3000 and 3050, which somebody introduced to help indicate the user file indicate is Enum for Linux to Samba. Here maybe we will see this answer is here. You will need to have the Samba package installed, as this script is basically just a wrapper around a PC client, net, and VLOOKUP and assembly client. So research terms associated with the SMB function many terms used in the Windows, and SMB function may not be familiar to you, and so the output of the Enum for Linux comments may be difficult to interpret at first. Use an internet search engine to find the definition of terms. Right. Komponen angka unik pada bagian akhir security identifier Windows yang membedakan pengguna grup atau komputer spesifik dalam domain sistem lokal. Bahasa Indonesia ya, coba kita bahasa Inggris ya. Ini pengguna grup atau komputer fisik dalam domain atau sistem lokal. Security identifier string alphanumerik unik yang tidak berubah digunakan oleh sistem operasi Windows untuk mengidentifikasi akun pengguna grup atau komputer dalam jaringan. You can identify user and group within the local domain globally unique, so you can also between domains. Grup atau komputer dalam jaringan. Domain controller. Ketika server di Microsoft Windows, jaringan yang bisa berlaku sebagai central gatekeeper untuk keamanan. Kita keamanan. Domain controller itu server yang memanage jaringan dan juga mengidentifikasi dari keamanan security. Dia itu memiliki otoritas untuk user dan juga menghapus ataupun membuat user itu bisa mengakses IP resource di dalam satu domain. Lalu lightweight directory access protocol DAP. Kita lihat dalam Indonesia ya. Open Standard Protocol for accessing and managing distributed directory service information service, like a network phone book, allowing users to find information and application authenticate user centrally across a network. It provides a standard way to read, write, and search hierarchical data. Jadi ini LDAP ini adalah standar protokol untuk mengakses dan juga memanage informasi tentang informasi, misalnya kayak network phone book bisa mencari informasi tentang people, orang, file, dan juga printer. Aplikasi juga bisa memiliki autentikasi untuk user melalui jaringan. Workgroup, a group standalone computer that are independently administrated. Grup yang berdiri sendiri, grup komputer yang berdiri sendiri yang independently administrasi, sudah diadministrasi dalam suatu administratif. Part 2, use the Nmap to find SMB server. We'll use this. One way to identify potential target for SMB enumeration is to examine the open ports in an LDAP. You use Nmap to find and enumerate open ports on target system. Common open ports on SMB servers are TCP 135, TCP 139, TCP 389, TCP 445, TCP 9398, 89, TCP UDP 137 dan UDP 138. Two virtual network are included in the Kali VM. Docker containers use Nmap SN to find the service available. Kita bakal ini jalanin ini ya. Seperti yang bisa kita lihat di sini ada beberapa port yang terbuka, yaitu 21, 22, 23, 25, 80, 111, 139, 445, 512, 513, 514, 1099, 1524, 2121, 3306, 5432, 6667, 8009, 81, 807. Di sini ada FTP, SSH, Telnet, SMTP, HTTP, RCP bind, dan lain-lain. What does Nmap reveal about the host network port? Nmap reveal about host. Only one host expression. Ini. Nmap scan report format splittable VM 172.117.02. What ports are open to on the host that verify running SMB service? Oh, so the TCP 139 dan juga TCP 445 itu NetBIOS SSN ini, dan juga Microsoft DS ini 139.445. Conduct Nmap SN scan on 10.66024 subnet. Ya, seperti kita bisa lihat di sini agak berbeda dengan 1702 ini ya. Di 10661 10660 itu ada 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, ada 7 host yang bisa kita lihat scan dari Nmap. Di 611 itu ada 3, ada 80 80 888 19001. Kalau 612 itu ada 1 3000 doang. 106613 itu ada 1 80. Di 6614 itu ada 2 80 dan 3306. Di 6623 ini cukup banyak, ada 21 22 353 80 139 dan 45. Di 6100 ada 1 80 dan di 661 ada 1 22. Is there any potential target computers on this subnet running SMB service? Which computer or computers? What do you know? Running ini ada satu nih, 6623. It has port nih 109 dan 145. Nah, jadi use enum for Linux to enumerate users and network file shares. Step 1, perform enum for Linux scan on target. We will use the enum for Linux min-u. So that is target information, enumerating workgroup, session checks, getting domain SID, and users on 172. So there is information about the users on 172, 02, 1702 dengan indeks RID, akun, name, and desk. The output of the Xcopy can generate multiple screens of information. If many users are discovered, Lenovo Linux aggregate output from multiple Samba tools to produce a consistent result. If you want to see how each feature is used, use the verbose option with the command with the v command. List the share file available on 1702 using Lenovo Linux -s. Use the verbose option to see the Samba tools that are used to obtain the information. So Lenovo Linux -sv used is there is different about Lenovo Linux. There is a target information, same like before, enumerating workgroup, session check, getting domain SID, and there's enumeration. There's a share enumeration on 1702. Share name is brain, temporary option, IPC, dan admin. Metasploit table server, Samba. There's attempting to move share. Not the V at the beginning. Not the V at the beginning of some of the lines of output. The verbose mode provide narrative of how the results were obtained. For example, in the enumeration workgroup section of the output, Lenovo Linux attempt to get the domain name using the command nmb lookup min a. We will use this to try. No reply, mungkin offline atau ini digunakan untuk attempt to get the domain name in enumeration workgroup domain which Samba tools was used to map the file shares Samba client. How many file shares are listed for the target? What is the dollar indicate at the end of the share name? You may need to research this answer. Here. Administrative share. That is the difference. So the dollar indicates is hidden share. It's hidden and be showing. Penetration tester may not have uncovered unknown username combination to further their exploit. In this case, they need to brute force password attack to obtain necessary credential. It is a benefit to know the password policies in place on the target system. To structure the brute force effort is an Linux WinP. So there is information like before, target information and workload, session check, getting domain SID, and password policy, information about the IP, phone domains, metasploitable built-in, password for info for domain, metasploitable, minimum password length is 5, password history length is known, maximum password age is not set, and password complexity flex is 0. There's 0 at domain password, and password complexity is disabled, and minimum password length is 0. So what is the minimum password length? Is set 5. Low, I think. Yeah. The minimum password length is too short. In addition, the password complexity flag is 0. Microsoft document this value as meaning no password complexity policy set. Also, no minimum password 8 is configured. Perform a simple enumeration scheme on target. So, NFI Linux has option that combines min U, min S, min E, min G, min P, min R, min O, min M, and min E option into one command. This requires using min A argument in the Linux command to perform a scan here. So there is same information about like before, target information, enumerating work group, NB stat ini baru ini, looking up status no reply, and session check, getting domain SID, OS information ini juga baru, yaitu graph main. Lalu users on 10623, akun master shift, ada 2 akun di sini, ada master shift dan juga arbiter. Share enumeration is yang kayak tadi, ini print artinya hidden. Lalu password policy information like before, there's a 5 length, but there's a maximum password age, and password complexity flex is still 0. minimum password age is known, and reset account logout counter is 30 minutes. Logout account duration is 30 minutes, and forced log off time is 37 days, 6 hours and 21 minutes. And password complexity disabled, minimum password name is 5. So via users on 10.623 via RID cycling, dari sini ditemukan SID baru S1 221 S1532 S1532 sama semua. Lalu enumerating system users using SID, there is information about the username and password. So there's username yaitu nobody, known, master chief, dan arbiter. Essentially login username, password, user, ini SID nya, SID and login username. Administrator user, ini role nya mungkin administrator user, squash, power user, akun, server and print, and there's everything user. Ini username nya, master chief, arbiter, dan labisnya. Yang locals user and group header on target 4 atau kalau tidak 4 mungkin di bawah 3. Salah ini. 3 kan? Nah, ini 3 dan juga grupnya itu ada 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ya. 7 grup. 3. And what are the shares located in the target? Ini gitu ya, kita answer. And there's homes, work file, and print. So next part is use SMB client to transfer files between system. There's a cat bat file txt. This is the bat file. Control C. Kita bakal gunain. So di sini kita bakal lihat isi dari bat file txt. Gunakan command cat. Nggak bisa deh. Ini nggak muncul. Kita lihat lanjut dulu. Jadi di SMB client is a component of Samba that can store and retrieve file similar to FTP client. We will use SMB client to transfer file into our target system. This simulates exploiting network hosts with malware through SMB vulnerability. I don't know why, but kita nggak bisa ngeliat isi dari bat file txt. Nah, ini berkas yang buruk. Nah ini udah muncul. Kita masuk pakai ini. Lalu take a look at the option available. Seperti yang kita lihat di sini ada SMB client sini ada ini komennya min m, min i, min e, min l, min t dan lain-lain. Kita bakal gunain di sini apa? Min l. So the assembly client min l command is to list, share, and the target host. This command produce a similar output of what enum for Linux command did in the part 3 when ask for password, please enter the double character before the IP address and the following if necessary if the target Windows or computer. Anonymous login successful. There is a share ini share file. Connect to the TMP user share with using assembly client. Kita bisa login masuk dan juga lihat di sini masuk ke file temporary. Assembly from the drive help. There is plenty command that we can use like all info, log off, rmdir. Enter there to view the contents of the store of the share. After that, upload the bit file. Kita udah selesai upload bit file txt-nya. Kita coba lagi masuk dia. Nah, bit file txt. Ini sudah masuk. Baik, reflection quit. Kita quit dulu untuk keluar. Yaitu eksploitasi scanning for assembly vulnerability when it enum for Linux. Saya akhiri untuk praktek kemarin ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.